My video tutorial will provide you with detailed guidelines on how to effectively remove the adware type program called LookupLauncher. LookupLauncher is the adware that is from the adload family of infections, by the way. You can find this application on the Mac computer. And this adware is typically spread through integration with many free programs. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this LookupLauncher was some way or another installed into your Mac computer, of course you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. This LookupLauncher adware may cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites, and also it may cause a lot of other troubles, such as permanent ads that will be disturbing your attention greatly. Anyway, how to remove this LookupLauncher adware? So on your Mac, go to your Finder, check your applications, find this LookupLauncher, right click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you see anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. Also, I recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.